bike ni Ivan liit. Ivan, bagay sa'yo. Where's Nathan? Nathan, come here. Di ba Erica lives nearby?
Opo, teacher. Hello.
Ah, malapit lang siya. Yay! Aliana and Zoe. Ang liit ng bike ni Ivan, ang kulit. Really? Here comes little Ivan. Ang kulit niya, no?
Teacher, you should have seen the race with him and Jacob. Jacob used this Ivan was like, Ivan couldn't, Jacob couldn't start, so Ivan just ran and never got back.
Ivan, that's not Aubrey. Don't be scared.
And
That's
then when
not
they
Aubrey. Don't be
switched-
scared.
And then when they switched, Ivan still won. Jacob couldn't pull the...
Ivan was using the small bike.
Yeah, Ivan was really smart. Jacob won. And when they switched... Ivan so